Hey guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. Haven't been around in a while. I've been working on other projects, but I do have a new video up called Scrapping a Pool Pump. Now, you're going to see why I scrap these as is and I don't sell them in parts. So let's take a look at this. Alright guys, so this is the pool pump. This is the first one I'll be scrapping. I usually sell these as is, but for this video, let's take it apart and see what's inside. Now these I'm guessing are drain plugs, but I just want to make sure they're not attached to something on the other side that'll make it harder for me to take this apart. So now here you see a molding for a socket wrench, which I'm going to use on this side, and I'm going to use a screwdriver on this side to hold it. So now I'm going to use a crowbar and a hammer to try to dislodge this cast aluminum that's here and try to get more inside to see if we can get to that motor. Now we're going to start on the other side. This actually came out easier than I thought. So now, how to get this out of the tube. So as you can see, it's a square peg in a round hole. And it's very interesting to try to take out. So what I actually thought of doing was cutting one piece off and removing that panel and maybe bending the metal over to maybe remove it. So now I'm at an angle with the camera, and as you can see, I'm not making a straight cut. So I'm going to try this again. Again, trying to make a straight cut is virtually impossible in the position I was in. But going from the other direction, I was able to make a straight cut. Next time, I'll just use an angle grinder. Finally. As I was inspecting the motor, I noticed something around the area that I was cutting. See that silver? That's actually aluminum. That's not even copper. But it's okay. I still have one more piece of metal to take apart. What I'm taking apart here is cast aluminum. So that's it. So now when you see the price list, you'll see why I sell this as is. Alright guys, this is Mike the Scrapper. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it in the comments below. I have two videos here for you to see: scrapping hard drives and getting gold from RAM boards. So this is Mike the Scrapper. Please comment, like, subscribe. Till then, peace!